So my TV's suddenly started packing up. It's all gone really dark. But on top of that, I don't know if you can see, I've got these horizontal lines. So I'm going to take the back off the television and I'm going to buy some new gubbins to put inside. And I'll show you how it's done. 9 times out of 10, upon with an LED TV with the horizontal or vertical lines, it's going to be your T-con board. People now, when a TV goes faulty, they'll strip it for parts and sell them on eBay. And I picked up this for £12. We'll strip it apart, put this in, and we'll see how we go. So before you start pulling the TV apart, it's important to try some of the simple steps first. So one thing I'd try is obviously checking for loose connections on your HDMI cable. Try replacing the HDMI cable, because quite often HDMI cables, they do have a lifespan. Disconnect the power and leave it disconnected for about 30 minutes. This should drain any residual power still sitting in the television, and try plugging it in and see how we go. Just giving the TV, while it's powered up and you can see the horizontal or vertical lines, give it a little tap around the edges of the screen at the back of the television. If you see the lines sort of disappear and maybe come on, then there's a good chance it could be a loose ribbon cable or something inside the television. So then we will proceed. We'll take the back of the television off. We'll check for loose connections. T-con boards are quite often interchangeable between different brands of television. So if you actually take the TV apart, you'll see a part number printed on the T-con board. If you have a quick Google of that, I'm sure it's going to bring up a massive list of options of where you can purchase it. But eBay is probably your best bet, because there's going to be a lot of people on eBay stripping apart their old televisions to sell the parts. Now these ribbon cables are held in by these little clips. They don't just pull out, so don't be pulling on them because you'll break it. But there's a little clip just here. If you lift it, the ribbon will come straight out. Now it's important to note, when we're talking about the horizontal or vertical lines, we are talking about coloured horizontal and vertical lines. If they're black vertical or horizontal lines, that's going to be a dead LED, and the only way you're going to repair that is by replacing the screen itself, which is you're then talking big money. You're probably better off to buy another second-hand television. Okay, well that went great. We've got it all back together, powered her up. But as you can see, we don't have any vertical lines now, and the picture quality actually is great. I forgot just how bad the TV was. So yeah, really pleased. Come out better than I thought. Got any problems with your TV? Any vertical, horizontal lines, coloured lines? Give the T-con board a go first. I say £12. So give it a go. Let us know how you get on.